How to hold a handgun with two hands for film and TV production. That's what we'll answer in today's video. Hi, my name is Dylan Wilson with CBT Stunt Alliance. Train hard, perform easy. We help actors, stunt performers, filmmakers, and content creators learn professional stunt training for use in film, TV, and live action entertainment. Before we get underway, if you'd like to add pistol and revolver movie gun training to your acting or stunt performance skill set, check out our highly popular online master course at movieguntraining.com or click on the link below this video. You can learn all the movie set gun safety basics, how to safely draw and shoot a pistol for film and TV production, how to properly hold, the pistol, tactical movements, pistol disarms, pistol reloads, how to do scene work with pistols and revolvers, and more. All taught by pro armorers for the film and TV industry. You can sign up now and start training now. Go to movieguntraining.com for more info. Okay, so we get a lot of questions about tactical movie gun training for film and television. So we're going to share a few tips with you. The two-handed grip we're going to show you is the most widely accepted one used by elite military forces, law enforcement, and more. In movies, it gives a strong, powerful, and confident look to any actor or stunt performer that wields it properly. Check out this clip from the movie Bad Boys 2 to see it in action.
Give me the gun!
Okay, I'm gonna toss it right at your feet. Right next to the mine.
Now, I'm actually an experienced stunt coordinator and armor for film and TV turned full-time director. This is something I plan to do from the beginning of my career, even attending and graduating film school as a director. Along my journey, I noticed that being a stunt coordinator and armorer made me a better director, and being a director made me a better stunt coordinator and armorer. Now, how this benefits you is that I can share with you insights and experience from both sides of the camera, as well through all phases of production. Okay, so before we begin movie gun training, we always do a safety briefing. Now, this is different than the one that we do on set since you're at home and we're not actually issuing any prop guns to you. Yet with us, safety is always paramount. This will serve as your safety briefing. Again, it's different than the ones that we do on set since we're not issuing you any movie guns. Yet, since we wish to instill safe practices into you, we modified it for your benefit. So pick up your movie prop gun, keep your finger off the trigger, make sure it's on safe as well as unloaded. So finger here on the frame, unloaded. Same with this one. Finger here, unloaded, and it's on safe. Now, as a reminder, never do any movie gun training with real firearms. Do not do dry fire. Make sure you invest in a good movie prop. If you need to find one, watch our video on how to get a movie prop gun for cheap. The link is below this video. We're going to cover some prop gun safety rules that you can use at home. These are different from gun safety rules that you use on a live fire range. You can learn more about the differences with our highly popular video, Real Firearms Training versus Movie Gun Training. The link to it is below this video. So I wish for you to memorize the acronym DIFU or DIFU. The DI stands for direction. So you always want to point the movie gun in a safe direction and never point it at another person. Even if it's a airsoft or something like that, doesn't matter. You always train the same way. So there are two directions that you are clear to point the firearm in. One is straight down into the ground. So if you're up standing around between scenes or something, you can take the pistol or the carbine and just let it hang by your side and point straight down to the ground. That's a safe direction. The second direction is whatever the armor determines to be downrange, which is safe. And for you, that'll be a wall. So you choose a wall in your house or your apartment, Make sure it's not a place that's highly trafficked where people can walk in front of you or something. It can even be aimed inside of a closet, right? So whatever place is good for you. For me, it's going to be a 180-degree arc from this wall all the way out to camera to this wall. I won't be pointing back that way because sometimes I'll have to show you like this, and then sometimes I'll show you like this. So then this 180-degree arc is downrange for me, yet I won't point it back that way. And this is how you have to be, so you always are aware of where you're pointing your movie prop gun. The F is you always keep your finger off the trigger, and you want to keep it on the frame of any movie prop gun that you're carrying. Keep it away. Don't put it here. Some people put it here in the trigger guard or something like that. No, keep it on the frame until the armorer tells you or shows you otherwise. The U stands for unloaded. So keep it unloaded, and you can always check and make sure it's unloaded once again until the armorer tells or shows you otherwise. Okay, this concludes our safety briefing. Now that you've done that, go ahead and insert one magazine into your movie prop gun. And listen to the instructions given by the armorer.
So today we're going to learn a grip called the two-handed grip or the fist grip. So step one, you want to start with a good one-handed grip. If you're not familiar with how to secure a good one-handed grip with a pistol, watch our previous video where we show you step-by-step how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and get a good one-handed grip going, right? There's that good one-handed grip. Finger again on the frame, away from the trigger and the trigger guard. Here's the key thing. This is called your support hand. Firing hand or shooting hand has the gun. The other hand is a support hand because it provides support. What we're going to do is if you see this area, this thumb and all this meat on my hand, I'm going to put all that here on the pistol. You see that? Look at that. See how that looks? It's not here. It's all up here. So all that meat for my hand is on the pistol. And what that does is it means that there's a lot more support for the pistol now, right? So the hand's there. The thumb, the support side thumb, is going to rest on the frame, not the slide. And if people make that mistake and put it on the slide, it actually goes on the frame. The support fingers wrap around the fingers of the firing hand like that. And they provide a light squeeze, not too hard, yet enough to give it support. Now, at this point, the firing thumb rests on top of the other hand. So again, this is how it looks when you go in. It goes in, boom. One more time. One-handed grip, this thumb comes right in, puts all that meat on there, and there you go. And the last step is we extend outwards. And that's the two-handed grip or the fist grip. Give it to you from a couple other angles, right? That's the correct way of doing it. This is the most common combat shooting grip for elite forces around the world. There are other grips too. There's plenty of other grips, yet for any type of elite military force, even a lot of SWAT teams and law enforcement, the two-handed fist grip, what we just did, is very common.
Broken out step by step to make it easier for you to understand. Lastly, we'll finish up by sharing some tips for character development, film and TV, production recommendations, and more. Yet before we do, check this out. Let's take a sneak peek and look inside this master course that was made by pro armorers for film and TV, stunt coordinators, actors, and filmmakers for professional actors, stunt performers, and filmmakers, and content creators. By the way, if you're a veteran or experienced with firearms, you're going to learn how to convert your skills into movies and TV. So you can see here, first of all, we designed our platform to be intuitive and easy to use. The moment you log into it on your computer or your phone, you pretty much understand exactly what's going on and you know how to navigate it right away. Now, each of our master courses starts off with an introduction, so you get to meet your instructors as well as a safety briefing. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at this now.
Those who can't teach.
And you see the instructors go over their the qualifications, their background, that kind of thing. And also, you get a cheat sheet, which we'll cover in a moment. This is a handout that accompanies the course, helps you to lock in what you're learning, plus our private online social community, which we'll cover a little bit later on. You also get our email address and contact information to be able to contact us with any questions that you may have. Now, as you can see, our innovative master course platform shows you if you finished the instructional or not, or how much of it you did learn. You know, so If you notice, each one is broken down into units. This is what each of these are. And each of these units are broken down into classes or video instructionals. And it makes it easier to group everything together. Each of the instructionals are videos, and they're about 10 minutes long. There are a few that might be a little bit longer because they have to be. For the most part, they're about 10 minutes long. We like to keep it bite-sized, and it makes it easier and more effective for you to learn. One of the other great things about the platform is if you're studying and you're watching or learning some of the videos, and say you're watching it today and you get busy and you can't watch it again for like a week. In a week's time, you're not going to remember what you learned last. You got to look through all these videos to figure out where you left off. No, our platform design, it tells you which instructionals, which classes you completed, right? And then it tells you, what percentage of the unit you actually completed. So this is 50% complete, so 2 classes were done, and there's 2 left. So in a week's time, you know to start right here. So with this one, these are pro screen tips for pistol and revolver. It has tactical reloads, speed reloads. A lot of the classes don't teach you how to do this because there's not enough time to teach someone to do all this stuff, in a 2 or 3 hour session. Take a look at cinematic pistol reloads, looking at the tactical reload. Let's go and take a look at this one now. See how this looks.
To his hand and insert the new magazine, puts the old magazine into his pocket, and then resumes firing. Bang, bang, bang.
Now, one of the other great things that we include are what we call live action video displays. And what these are things that they're clips from actual movies or even live training sessions where you actually can see the techniques being used in movies, TV, or real life. And it really helps you to lock in the lessons. So let's go ahead and we're going to take a look at one of them now. And you see everything that you're learning, you see how it actually is used in a movie. Let's go ahead and take a look at the tactical pistol disarm triple play. These are pistol disarms, some of the most famous pistol disarms that have been used in film and TV history.
I'm going to come here, turn it around, and fire. Bang, bang. Okay? Again,
we're leveraging the off-body aiming technique, when we're doing that. And whenever we train with solid rubbers. Here's the same kind of pistol disarms from the movie John Wick. We have these in here, so you actually can take a look at it. So let's take a look at one now and see how it actually plays out. Doesn't that look familiar? This one is our monthly Sharpen and Polish video conference lab. Each month we do this, and it's designed to actually help you with your career. Try our Pistol and Revolver Master Course for 48 hours risk-free. After reviewing the Master Course, if you don't like what you see and it doesn't work for you, we'll refund every penny. Who else lets you go through their movie gun training, and then if you're not happy, gives you a complete refund? Bottom line, we're passionate about making our customers happy and keeping them that way. So well worth the investment if you're serious about learning pistol and revolver movie gun training. Now we'll finish up by sharing some tips for character development, film and TV production recommendations, and more.
A couple things to know that you don't want to do. What's very common is instead of people doing this with the thumb, their hand is back here. Because it feels unnatural initially when you start training this way, right? And it feels more natural to do this. That's not what you want to do. We're going to cover the benefits of this in another video. For right now, we're just going to show you how to get the grip going. So the thumb should be straight, the arm and the elbow kind of in a rigid position like this. Do not let it sink back here. The other mistake that people make, this is called the tang of the pistol. Sometimes it'll be like this. And if you notice there's space, I'm exaggerating a bit, between the tang and my hand. You don't want any space in there because it actually will cause, if you look at it, it causes the pistol to shoot below where you're aiming, what you want to hit at. So when you actually have it straight, it's now more in line with your body. So make sure that when you do it, you're here, not here, and there's no space there.
Okay, so make sure you like this video and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next movie prop gun training video. Also, make sure you sign up for our Pro Stunt Tips email newsletter to get professional movie gun prop training tips in your inbox. Lastly, if you'd like more information on our highly popular online pistol and revolver master course, go to movieguntraining.com. Prepare to have your mind blown. Again, my name is Dylan Wilson with CBT Stunt Alliance. Train hard, perform easy. Don't miss our next video where we share with you another movie prop gun training tip. See you next video.